pretty cold. My friend is following me behind. He's doing well. I passed by so many people, I think like 6 groups like that. They all went back, and here I am just making my way to the lake. How stupid. Pretty sure by the time I go down, it's gonna be dark. I wouldn't go to the summit. I'll go there next time. For now, I'm just gonna go to the lake because I want to see the sunset from there, I think, if there's any. And most importantly, fly my drone. And look at this view. Isn't that nice? One thing I really like about this one, we compared to Sandia, like mountainous area, there's not a lot of insect here. There's some, but not as bad as Sandia. My god, that place, I can't even. This one, I can sleep here. I don't mind if I have camping gear, of course. Really, maybe someday I should get a camping gear and camping at the lake. The next day, go to the picnic.